Hello there. We've seen a cold snap of weather across much of Western Europe over the past week or so. Things are becoming milder in the west, colder further east. We're seeing low pressure moving in from the Atlantic. We've also got low pressure across the Mediterranean too. Now that's going to bring some heavy downpours across parts of Italy, Croatia, Malta, for instance, seeing some of those heavy downpours. Eventually that will push towards Greece too. On Monday, Turkey should have a dry, settled day with some reasonably warm sunshine. That sunshine extending across Cyprus, Crete too. But then we're back into the heavy downpours through central parts of the Mediterranean. The Balearics could see some of those showers, but much of Spain and Portugal does look dry on Monday. We've got this band of cloud and rain pushing in across parts of northern Spain through France too. That'll be preceded by some snowfall. Could be a covering of snow in Paris for a time, for instance. Also some heavy snowfall arriving across Denmark too. Chilly conditions developing for much of Scandinavia, but things turning increasingly wet and windy for the UK during the course of Tuesday. A bit of respite for the Alps though, as we see a drier and a quieter spell of weather here. In both London and Paris, we're seeing those temperatures back into double figures, much milder but still unsettled with some breezy and showery weather at times. Should stay dry for Madrid and for Rome too. Further east though, across Europe, those temperatures will be on the dip with some wintry weather arriving. Bye-bye. Hello there. The record-breaking cold spell that we had across much of North America last week is now easing away. Milder air in charge, certainly across much of the United States. Still pretty cold for much of Canada though, especially for British Columbia, Alberta and Saskatchewan. That cold air still in place here. Low pressure moving in from the Pacific, bringing some heavy snowfall across the Rockies towards the northern plains too. Further south, also unsettled down towards California with further rain around the coast and heavy snow over the hills. Further east, most places generally dry and settled, but we have got some heavy showery rain sitting off the coast of the Carolinas there. For British Columbia, it's mostly dry and settled, but in the south we are going to see further snow that will accumulate in Vancouver. Down towards Seattle too, we could see a few snow showers, gusty winds too. Bit of rain around the coast of California turns to heavy snow across the Nevadas. Here's the outlook then in the west over the next few days. It's still pretty unsettled, further showers at times affecting San Francisco and Los Angeles too. Now towards the east, and we might see a bit of snowfall in Montreal, but New York should be dry on Sunday. Head your way further south down to coastal parts of the Carolinas and you're likely to see a bit of wet weather, some rain, some gusty winds associated with that low pressure system, which should clear off later on in the day. Now over the next few days then things will turn much milder. Temperatures in New York up to 17 Celsius by Tuesday. Bye-bye. Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather across all of South America and Central America too. Starting with the satellite image across South America, you can see this zone of clouds stretching from southern Brazil up towards Peru and Colombia too. And it's this zone that will continue to see heavy downpours over the next few days. There could be some localised flooding for the likes of Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo as those heavy showers just make their way a little bit further northwards. So it is across northern and northwestern parts of the continent that we're seeing the heaviest of the rain. Heavy downpours into western parts of the Amazon basin. Further east though, it is looking drier. Some dry sunny weather stretching from Salvador down towards Rio de Janeiro, but we will see those heavy showers arriving later in the day. Meanwhile, further south, it's a drier story for much of Uruguay, central Chile and Argentina, and temperatures here certainly on the warm side. Now, over the next 5 days or so, we'll continue to see on and off heavy showers and at times some thunderstorms in Rio de Janeiro. Buenos Aires should stay dry, settled and sunny. And that's very much the story across Mexico. Mostly dry and fine, lots of sunshine, light winds, and that weather extends across the Caribbean too. So not too much weather going on here. It is looking dry, settled and sunny, but there'll be one or two rogue showers that just bubble up during the afternoon, perhaps affecting Jamaica, towards Haiti as well. But generally over the next 5 days, it looks dry in Havana, Kingston, San Salvador and San Jose. Bye-bye. Hello there. With low pressure sitting in the Mediterranean, we're set to see some cool conditions affecting much of North Africa, particularly in the northwest. So a cool northerly influence to the weather across Morocco, into Algeria too. Breezy and rather chilly here. Meanwhile, towards the northwest, warmer conditions as the air piles in from further south. We're set to see some showers affecting parts of Algeria, Tunisia and later on Libya as those showers in the Mediterranean push their way eastwards. Still some heavy showers across eastern parts of South Africa, but they should ease away from Johannesburg. Madagascar will see some heavy rain developing over the next few days. Now here's the outlook for the next 5 days, and it is looking dry, warming up a bit in Cape Town. Johannesburg also staying dry with some sunshine around too. Hot and sunny in Khartoum, but the sunshine will be interrupted by a few showers in Kinshasa and Lusaka. Casablanca looks to be turning a little bit warmer as we head towards the end of this coming week. Now on to the Middle East, and plenty of sunny, dry weather in store across much of Saudi Arabia, but we have had some showers that are now making their way further eastwards, still lingering around the Gulf of Oman, so Muscat could well see some of those sharp showers through the day on Monday. Bit of a brisk northwesterly wind starting to blow across the Gulf, but for most areas it is looking dry, settled and sunny. Once those showers clear from Muscat, it is looking dry and warmer through the rest of the week. Bye-bye. Hello there. There's a lot of dry and settled weather in the forecast across much of India, but we are seeing ongoing problems with fog patches developing in the north. The fog should become less of a problem over the next few days as a weather front tries to work in from the northwest. So some cooler air, some showers arriving in the north of India. Down towards Sri Lanka, we're also set to see further heavy downpours developing through the day on Monday. Some thunderstorms possible here. Some of those showers pushing into Tamil Nadu and perhaps into Kerala as well. But for the rest of India, things are looking mostly dry. We have got low pressure, though, across Central Asia. That's bringing some chilly conditions to Astana, minus 14 degrees. Look at all that heavy snowfall that we're set to see across southern parts of Turkmenistan, particularly across the mountains of Afghanistan, and some of that snow pushing across the border into Pakistan too. Karachi should remain dry, 27 degrees on Monday. Plenty of sunshine for Mumbai. And as we move down towards Mali, we're expecting a largely dry, settled, sunny picture here. Here are the heavy showers, though, affecting Sri Lanka into the far southeast tip of India too. Moving further north, though, sunshine continues through West Bengal and into Bangladesh too. Now, you will notice that dip in the temperature for many areas. Mumbai, for instance, down to around about 25 degrees through the middle part of the week. Plenty of sunshine for Dhaka too. Turning colder with some snow showers in Tashkent by Wednesday. Bye for now. Hello there. Major flooding is ongoing across parts of Queensland with more rain in the forecast over the next few days. We've had heavy downpours here. We'll look at the forecast for Australia in just a moment. First off then, we're going to be seeing further heavy showers across parts of Indonesia. Heading our way further north to Japan, still some snow showers pushing off the Sea of Japan, so wintry showers around those coasts and across the mountains in Hokkaido too, but drier further south. We've also got some rain showers affecting Taiwan, perhaps a few showers in Hong Kong too. Largely dry and settled for much of Thailand, Cambodia, Vietnam and Laos too, but heavy showers developing quite widely across Indonesia. Here's the outlook for the next 5 days or so, and we're going to be seeing some showers on and off in Osaka over the next few days. Bangkok keeps the sunshine with temperatures generally in the mid-30s. Now on to Australia, and you can see the heavy downpours that we're going to see persisting across parts of Queensland on Monday. Yet again, there could be further flooding impacts as that rainfall falls on saturated ground. Some rain pushing into Southland in New Zealand, but for the rest of New Zealand, a dry day to come on Monday. Hot in Christchurch, temperatures of 31 degrees before that cold front works its way further northwards as we move through into Tuesday. Now, over the next 5 days or so, we could see a few heavy showers and thunderstorms in Sydney. It looks mostly dry, though, in Wellington. Bye-bye.